Hello, hello, welcome to Corporate Tales. It's another Saturday and lovely Saturday morning, and we are going to climb a Sherry Gad. So it's trek to Asheri Gad today. And look, who we have here. Hello, Sagar. Sagar is with me and then a group, short group, small group, not short, small group. Sweet. Let's go. Hello guys, look, so pretty, so beautiful. Have a breath. Guys, look, so beautiful, so pretty. See, do you see the railing? I'm sure you can. It's just 20% of the hike or the trek left. It was quite a workout, very interesting. And that's our team. Mischief Trek team, say hi. Hi to YouTube. See, just that's left. It goes way inside. I'm not going. Look guys, so beautiful. See, these are the steps. View. Stunning views. Taking photos. Hello, hello, hello. Look at me. Huh, awesome. Look guys, so beautiful. And the cool breeze. It's awesome. See how deep, and Sagar is just lost in his own world. Look, see, it says Mukhya Pravesh Dar, which means the main entrance. So we're almost done. We still have few rock cut stairs then, so it's so pretty. Not as steep. Look at the view. Some of the people are sitting. Look at the view. Look at the view. Look guys, we are at the top and look at that flag. Look at this. So pretty. The flag is so pretty. A bit closer. It's nice and breezy, and this is temple. Lakshmi temple. God bless you all. Happy feet. Wow. God, it's amazing. Stunning. This is the flag that we saw from the bottom. Oh, you can sit. This is another place, and it's so breezy and nice, cool. This is a place you can sit for hours and hours. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Hopefully I will not fall. Hey guys, look, the leaves are falling. It's so pretty forest. So beautiful. Look at we are going down now to the base camp and the base location, and it is a rocky climb, so I'm a bit tired. It's also very hot and not a best idea to wear black. That's a crew there. See, it's so pretty. So beautiful forest. Hey guys, I am done with the trek. Look, the trail looks so beautiful, and I shot the trail while the ascent while climbing, and I hope you had fun watching the video. I sure enjoyed. Look, I'm so tired and I'm a bit sad because I got a call that my tomorrow's plan for Chitgarh is cancelled, but we'll plan something lighter for tomorrow. But for now, if you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.